Thursday, 15:46, 0 seconds, year 2024, fourth month, seventh month, July, 4th day. Got the door open right here now. Here's Wally World outside there. Goddamn Wally. Ward, you was a little hard on the beaver last night, Ward. Ward was a little hard on the beaver. Sicily brother just busted a stick. That's alright. Where'd the fucking muff go? Brother did have the muff. Emergency rescue. There's the muff. Need to enjoy the muff. Get some of them Gilberts with Apostle Paul. Gilberts. Filbert nuts. Filbert nuts. Fill them Filbert nuts. If the left hand is weak, which this one is, for rolls, this one's weak. For drum rolls, this snare head is beat the fuck. Tighten it up here. Probably too loose. Oh yeah, it's loose as fuck. You fucking wonder. No fucking wonder. It was just loose as fuck over here on this side. There. See how these heads are going. Yeah, might as well tighten these heads up too. These fucking drum heads are fucking looking like fucking plastic bubble wrap. They're so beat to shit. These Evans drum heads. The Remos, they're a bit, they just crack. The Remos crack. The Evans fucking just bubble up. Yeah, the Evans bubble up. Remos just crack. Ain't no need to tune these fuckers. Just get them nice and fucking tight. Ain't nothing worse than fucking playing on a riding one of those one of them pedalers through the town, and the fucking tires are fucking pump them fuckers up to 42, fucking 65. Get them nice and fucking hard. Makes for a nice, easier, smooth, a nice, easier ride. Might be able to fill all the bumps though in the road, but hell, that gets easily remedied. Easily remedied. fucking stick dick pocket. Put these fucking sticks in. Fuck you, let go, you fucking gator fuck. Fucking cock sucking, fucking acting fuck. Fuck you. Get fucked pregnant with some fucking quality. Bitch actor. Yeah. as well end it on that solid note. Get ready for something muff. We're end it right there on that solid note. One last beat though. Oh! Oh! One last beat. Let's hear that beat again. That almost sounded like a fucking firecracker. Oh! Yeah. We got dogs in the audience yelping out. Ow! They know a good. They know it when they know it. Ow! Oh yeah. Woo! It ain't even time for fucking fireworks yet and they're going off already. Get back to work, you're fired. Well, actually bring the squirter out. Come to work and get some squirters. Yes. Brother needs to trim the fingernails on that one. Broke a nail on one of those. Broke a little bit. Just a little break. Just a tiny little break though. Ah. 3 months off from those. That's one whole quarter. 3 months is one quarter. There's 4 quarters in a year. 3 months off. The fucking drums just went to the next level after 3 months off. Look at the fucking abdominals. Look at all the fucking strength it puts into the abdominals. That shit's fucking nice to look at. That's a fucking 6-pack. Holy fuck. Anyway, gotta get this get this recording to show up on the little 19-inch here. It says press input on your remote. Well, it would be not okay. Input, there it is. There you go, brother. All right. Yeah, HDMI 1. Yeah, we're already there. Need to get the picture on the screen. No signal. It says no. No signal. That's because this thing's unplugged. Oh, that's right. This has to be into the power. That's where it is. Wonderful, robot. Wonderful. Almost yelled at you. Almost. Caught that one, though. Cut it off at the pass. It happens. There it is. Look at that. Brother's enjoying a 19-inch screen now out in the backyard with fucking Jonah's fucking shade. Look at Jonah's shade all around. Jonah, a vine from the Lord grew. Almost ready for a bug to eat it, though. That comes overnight. It's nice having a fucking big screen outside, man. Even though it's only 19 inches. It'd be nice if it was one of the fucking fucking 50 footers. Got a 50-foot big screen right there. That'd be like Day on the Green. What do they call that? Whacking over in Europe, where all the heavy metal bands join together for a tour. They call it whacking, and everybody's on the 50-foot screens, depending on if they wanted to go straight up and down or too wide. 50-foot screen. And things are probably bigger than 50 foot. They're probably more like 300 foot long, 300 foot tall. Because they got to be able to show the people that are fucking half a mile out in the crowd what's going on. Whacking. They're out there whacking. All right. Now I just got to get this camera so that it's